Hello friends, welcome to the part 12 of this tutorial India Fights Corona app. And in this app, we'll quickly create about us page, and that will be our 12 parts. So let's start. Menu screen, you have to add one new file, and file name will be about us dot dart. And same file, you can see we can have stateless widget, and class name will be of course about us, and in that file we can straight away import some. If we can import from this file also, no problem. So I'll be taking everything from this. I think I don't require URL launcher here, but let's and in place of this we will have scaffold, and in place of app bar and drawer we can straight away take it from here, app bar and drawer. And in the body we can have now the layout which will have multiple widgets. So my choice will be column, and column in can have multiple children. Please press escape, and multiple children, so we'll save it. We can have the route, so static const route name will be about us, and it should be slash about us to have some uniformity in our app. And I will quickly connect this with main dot dart. So you can see there is a about us dot route name, and this route name should context, and it will redirect us to about us. So this is the give comma at the end and save it. Quickly we will move to the home screen for adding the clickable event, and for that we will move to the last card, that is this, and in that card I will write about us dot route name. If I save this and if I click on this, you can see we are redirecting to about us page. That's cool. We have done this multiple times, so now we remember how to do that. And in this course, or in this part, we will quickly add some container, and container can have height. Press escape. Container can have height, so I will have 300 as a height, and I will give color, and color will be, let's say, colors dot amber, my favorite color, that's why I'm adding amber. And amber, I'll give shading of 300 here. So amber, if I save this, let's see what is going to display. Oh, 300 is quite big height, so I will make it 200 for that purpose. Yeah, 200 is fine. What I want to achieve, let me tell you, I want to have one image and two text below it. So, what do you think will be the word, and it will be the column that will be the word choice, because I want to add two, three widgets, one below is another. And first will be circle avatar. So I will have SICR circle. Column can have multiple children first, don't forget, and we will have circle avatar, and circle avatar can have, of course, have radius, and radius will be, let's say, 60. If I save this, okay, so container can have the maximum height, sorry, maximum width. So width will set to double dot infinity, and if I save this now, yeah, this will be fine, but I want little bit gap from the above. So what I will do is column can be, so above container I will have the sized box. I will have size box of height, size box of height, let's say 10. And if I press, sorry, I have to give comma at the end of new widget, and it, okay, I just want height with circle avatar, not with this, so I will not be using this size box here. I want So I will give padding from all side of this container. So padding, it will give me that whatever I want. It will be 10, and it will shrink all the childs to the 10 from all side. Okay. So I got the circle avatar, and the next step I want is the text field. So I will give comma here. I will add text, and I will add my name, and again comma, and I will add another text, and I will add developer, and give comma. If I save this, let me see. Yeah, this is okay. But now I want this little bit space in between, so I can use sized box here, no doubt, and height should be, let's say, 10, and if I save this, you can see, yeah, it is now okay. But what I want is style this font. So I will use text style, and text style will be font size. Press escape. Font size will be 20, and font weight should be font weight dot bold, and height. What I want is color should be colors dot white. Yeah, that's it. I think this is fine. Okay, this is okay, but don't want this amber color to be of shading. I can't see name clearly. So yeah, this is fine. And developer should be little bit bolder in black. So I will add style, and it will be textile. Textile can have font size. Press escape. Font size will be little bit smaller than our name, so it should be, let's say, 18, and weight should be font weight dot bold, and if you save this, yeah, this is okay. Now what I want is I want to add image to this circle avatar. So what I will do, background image option is there, and it will take image dot asset. What is saying, the background image of the image of cause avatar to animate new image can't be assigned to the image provider, so I will use another class, that is image asset. Yeah, I think it's asset image. Yeah, asset image, and I will give the asset name. So asset name will be assets slash images slash jp.jpg, and that file should be there. So for that reason, I have to quickly pick that file. So this is the file. I will just copy this file, and I will take this file all the way to the I will take this file all the way to the new project, and in the new project we have asset folder, and in that asset folder we have images, and just paste it here. Okay, so we have that file. Now what I will do, look, this image will not come here immediately. The reason being, it will not be able to find images. The reason being, you have to scan the pubsec.yaml file again, and I told you earlier what you have to do, just give one backspace and again give that backslash, save it, so that your image will be read by our kind of compiler pubsec YAML file. Once this is done, if exit 0 message is given, then you can come here and you can save it, and I hope you will get the image. Yeah, I got the image, right. That was pretty cool. So what we have done, we have added one container. In that container, we added multiple widgets under the column. Now look at where container ends. So container end here, at the end of the container give comma, and we'll have next widget, that will be list style. So it will be new for you, don't worry, it is very easy and very commonly used widget. List style can always have the leading means at the front part, and we'll have circle avatar, and in that circle avatar I can have image, not image, I want the yeah, background image, you can say background image, and that should be icon, and icons dot let's say call. Is it for okay? Not, you cannot assign the image and icon. So what I will do is I can have child. Child can be icon. Icons dot call, and this was about leading. So if you see, this is the circle avatar. Hence here I will have title, and title can be contact number. Sorry, title should be in text widget. So contact number, and we can have subtitle as text widget, and primary number. So this is the my, or I can give the number here 98989898, whatever. Okay. So if you want to see the effect, let's save this, and we can have this contact number from yeah, this is okay, but this should be little bit larger. So what I will do, I will copy this style of developer up to the second last comma, and I will copy it here. So if I look at this contact number, right? So this is the contact number. Below that, we will have the second list style. So this was about list style, and in this list style again, I can have the WhatsApp number. WhatsApp contact number is fine. We can give the mail now, so we can have mail here, and instead of contact number, we can give mail, and mail can be gpalve@gmail.com. So if I save this, I will get this mail function, and the next part will be, will copy again that list style, and we can have follow us page, follow follow me, and here we can give the Facebook or whatever you want to give follow me, facebook.com/ganesh.palve999. So I want to change this image, so icon, so icon dot icons dot, if I see if there is any icon for follow, but I don't think it will be, so I will give any face. Yeah, that's it. So this was all about the list styles, and you can add little bit more functionality if you want. That should be clickable. Then you can wrap this list style with the tappable, any tappable widget like Inkwell or gesture detector, and you can give the tap, and it will redirect you to the front screen. So that's it. I think we have done this pretty well, and this is the about the page that we are going to have. So the last step is nothing but I want to add this exit to app and this functionality, right? So what I will do, I will go to app bar. I will go to app bar. In my app bar dot dot, where on press function is given, right? So in on press, our main dot dart should have some route name. So I will add static const route name, and I will give this name as a base, because this is the base page of our app. And how will you connect this is by writing the class name, that is my app dot route name, and give the context, and context will be passed to my app, yeah, this one, give comma. So I just save it. Why this I have done? Because I want to add that into the my app bar. Here on press, it should be navigated to let's say navigator. If you remember, navigator will push the page, navigator dot of context dot push replacement named. What is push replacement and push named? I will tell you briefly. Push replacement will replace the existing stack. So if I write here my app dot route name. So this is not identifying route name. Let's add the route name to this import, and your main dot file should be imported here. So dot dot slash, and you can have this main dot dart. Now that error has gone, and exit to app, you should write on press exit 0, but this function is defined in dart io file, so you have to import that file. Import uh, dart io. So this is input output file defined by dart, and now we'll test it whether it's working. If I went to corona status, if I press home, let's restart our app. Let's see what's the problem. So if I go to corona status and if I press home, it's not getting any error also, and it's not giving us any. Let's quickly see what's the problem. If I don't go on exit. So static const route name is slash base, and we added route, and in the my app bar icon dot okay, on the I have added it on the search button, not on this, sorry. So I will quickly add it to the home button and not the search button. So I think now it's pretty well, right? So if I go here and if I click on this, I can be go back. So last exit to app, if I click on this, will be exited and will be exited from this interface also. So thank you guys, and I hope we have done pretty much job to learn this lot of things, and I'm very happy we will meet in the last part, that is part 13, a way ahead, and I will talk with you about the things or two. So till that, Jai Hind, take care, be safe in this Corona period, and I'll talk with you little bit in the part 13. Thank you.